Saxon Course 2, Lesson 110 is on simple and compound interest and successive discounts. So when you deposit money in a bank, the bank does not simply hold the money. Instead, it spends it in places and gives you money called interest on what you first put in. The money you put in is called the principal, and the amount of money the bank pays you is called the interest. So this one wants you to make a table that shows the value of a $1,000 investment growing at 10%, compounded annually after 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 years. So the first year, $1,000 is going to grow 10%. So this is going to be your number of years. And then this one is going to be your compound interest. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So since it's 10%, you're going to take $1,000 and multiply that by 10% or 0.1. So that's going to be equal to 1 times 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. We have 1 decimal point. So 10% of $1,000 is $100. So you're going to add 1,000 plus 100 to figure out how much money you have total, which is $1,100. Okay, so we do that again for the second year. So we have 1,100, and we're going to multiply that by 10%. So we end up with $110, which then we add that to our original $1,100 plus $110 is going to equal $1,210. Okay, third year, you're going to take that $1,210 and multiply it by 10%. So we end up with $121. We add that to the $1,210 we already have to get $1,331. Okay, and you repeat that step each time. So for year 4, it would be $1,464.10. And then the fifth year would be $1,610.51. Now notice that each year the amount of money is 110% from the year before. So if I took $1,100 and multiplied that by 110%, I would get $1,210. If I multiplied that by 110%, I would get $1,331. So this can make it much faster to find our total amount. Okay, this one, calculate the interest earned on an $8,000 deposit in 9 months if the annual interest rate is 6%. So the deposit earns 6% interest in 1 year. So that would be 0.06 times $8,000, which is equal to $480 that we would get in 1 year. Well, we want to figure out how much that is in 9 months. So 9 months is going to be 9/12 of the amount that we found. Okay, because it's 9 out of the 12 months. So first, we can go ahead and cancel the 12 and the 480. 12 becomes a 1, 480 becomes 40. So I'm left with 9 times 40, which is $360. So in 9 months, she earned $360. Okay, now we have successive discounts. So to calculate a successive discount, we find a percent of a percent. Okay, so I'll show you 2 different methods. So this one, an appliance store reduced the price of a $400 washing machine to 25%. When their washing machine did not sell at that sale price, the store reduced the sale 20% to its clearance price. What was the clearance price of the washing machine? The first way is to first find the sale price and then find the clearance price. So we'd use ratio boxes. So, first, the sale price, we have our percent and our actual count. This is going to be the original minus our change. And we end up with our new price, which will be our sale price, the new sale price. So it was originally $400, which is 100%. We know we're getting a discount of 25%. And then that means our new sale price is going to be 75% of the original amount. Since we want to find the sale price, we're going to do 100 over 75 equals $400 over the sale price. Do our cross products. We end up with 100 times the sale price equals 300,000. Divide by both sides by 100. Okay, the zeros cancel. So the sale price is $300. Okay, so our sale price is $300. Now we take that information and find our clearance price by drawing another ratio box. So for this ratio box, again, we have our percent and our actual count. So our original, our minus the change, and then our new clearance. Okay, so percent is still going to be 100%, but our original this time is the sale price, which is the $300, minus the change, which is 25%, which is our discount, and our new clearance price again is 75%. Oh, sorry, 20 was looking the wrong numbers. So it's 20 and then 80%. There we go, for our clearance. So do our ratio box. We don't need to know the change. So it's going to be 100 over 80 equals 300 over the clearance price. Do our cross products. We end up with 100 clearance, C, equals 24,000. Divide both sides by 100. Zeros cancel. So my clearance price is equal to $240. And that's my answer. Okay, and that the second way we can do this, that's the long way. The second way is by taking the sale price and figuring out that the sale price is equal to 75% of my original price. Okay? And then furthermore, since the sale price is discounted 20%, the clearance price is going to be 80%, equal 80% of the sale price. So my clearance is going to equal 80%, which is 0.8, times my sale price, which was 75% of the original amount, which was $400. Okay? So if I multiplied that, I would get 0.8 times 0.75 is equal to 0.6 times $400, which still gets me that $240. Okay, and that's it for this lesson.